just not any race, it's a big event. And coming from New Zealand, both countries, it's just a stopping the nation race. It's great.
Seeing those big horses run down, they're powerful, the sound, everything about it. It's pretty good. Smell the grass, the fresh air, the vomit. No, all the little things. It's good. It's good. It's good to be part of it. Yeah.
I've been thinking about this since probably about March, and it's taken at least 100 hours to actually put it together. But I was actually very inspired by a Dior 2007 collection.
I think it's definitely worth paying the money to come down and get a seat in a position like this. You know, we've got Fashions of the Field right here. We've got everything in an arm's length.
And yeah, we definitely get noticed, definitely.